On July 10, 2024, Zimbabwean citizens flooded Facebook with messages of support for opposition leader Nelson Chamisa. The excitement is real, and here's why. But before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates like this from Zim News Live YTS. Keep watching. People are drawing parallels between Chamisa and Zambia's Hichilema. Remember how Hichilema stayed hopeful for years, finally becoming Zambia's president? Zimbabweans believe Chamisa could follow in those footsteps. The energy in the country is electric. Citizens are urging Chamisa to stay hopeful and keep pushing forward. They see him as a beacon of change, someone who can lead Zimbabwe into a brighter future. So, will Nelson Chamisa be Zimbabwe's next president? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The people's enthusiasm is palpable. Stay tuned, Zimbabwe. This could be the start of something incredible. Feel free to comment your thoughts down below. See you next time.